Hello Taurus, welcome into your psychic reading from the month of September to December. So basically this is month of October and I am really sorry for delaying your reading. So in this reading I will channel some messages for you from my spirit guides, angel and divine. And remember, this is a journal reading. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. So Taurus, I am seeing good news is coming into your family. Like you will spend more time with your family members, with your father, with your mother, with your siblings. And I am also seeing here a spot from your father is on the way to you. If you want to start something new in your life, then your father will definitely support you. And I am also seeing opening of third eye here for you. Your intuition will become more stronger, more sharper. And if we see as compared to the time of beginning of the 2020, your intuition has become more stronger than before and you are able to listening to your intuition. I am also seeing here closing of the chapters of past. You guys are coming out of the karmic relationship, karmic situations, and by the end of November you will be out of all the karmic lessons, all the karmic relationship. I am also seeing here a lot of good and positive energies entering in your aura. And some people are coming in your life who will make you feel happy, positive and motivate. They will help you to achieve your goals, especially in your career. I am also seeing here a new connection is here for you, and this person will make your heart bloom again and you will feel alive, more happy, more abundant and more joyful after meeting this person. So for some of you this could be a twin flame or soulmate. And I am also seeing here you guys are manifesting a lot of things in your life from a very long period of time, and by the end of December you will have all these things in your possession which you are or you were manifesting. I am also seeing here you need to show more gratitude to the universe if you want to raise your vibrations or want to become a pro manifester, because gratitude has power to change our reality. By changing our vibrations we can change our life too. So I am also seeing here by the end of October you will receive a proposal. It could be related to love or career, and this proposal will going to change your life completely. If you guys are into social media marketing, network marketing, then I am seeing a good amount of profit is here for you. I am also getting guys, you are quite depressed because of some things in your life. Like from the month of March and April you are feeling depressed, down and stressful because of some situations which are not in your control. For some of you this is related to relationship and money issues, and I am seeing these situations are about to end by the month of November and you will be at peace in your life. I am sensing here a new beginning for you, especially in your money and abundance area. Money will find you and you will start something new, and from this new idea, new business, you will make a lot of profit. And I am seeing here something from social media marketing like Instagram, YouTube and fashion bloggers. There is a lot of career in this side. If you want to try, you can. I am also seeing here conflicts with the management, with boss is about to end by the end of October. I am also seeing here guys, you are running from your wounds, you are healing, and you are just staying away from the people who are reminding you about your inner wounds, inner healing, because you are not ready to face all these things again. And I am also seeing guys, you will soonly end or cut all the cords with the karmic people who had bad intentions for you and who really hurt you in your past, and you are coming out of this energy and you are entering into the energy of abundance. Here is a suggestion and guidance for you. Please don't run away from your emotions, face them. Only then you can heal them. We heal the things by facing and feeling them. Releasing always happen by feeling. So you are guided here to feel all these things, so you can heal all this trauma which you were going through or which you are going through. I am also seeing here inner child healing. So you are guided to spend time with your inner child. Please spend some time in painting, playing, or spend time in nature so you can heal your inner child too. And I am also seeing here new friends are coming into your life. It could be schoolmates or childhood friends, and this will make you feel happy and joyful again, and you will spend a very good time with them. I am also guided to tell you here last 2 months of this year is all about healing and releasing. If you guys are into healing and releasing, then congratulations, you will be a whole different person in 2021. And when you will look back in 2020, you will feel grateful because you are going to do a lot of releasing and karma cleansing in the last month of 2020. So I am seeing a lot of spiritual energy here, guys. As I told you, a lot of you will go through third eye opening and crown chakra awakening. So it's time to invest in yourself. It's time to spend time in self discovery. You are going to reveal a lot of things which are not showing up right now in your life. I am also seeing here support from your guides and angels are coming for you, and you will have a direct connection with divine. You will be aligned with divine. You will be able to receive direct guidance from divine through your crown chakra. So you are not alone. A lot of spiritual growth, spiritual energy is on the way to you. You just need to step into your powers. You just need to step into the self-love, self-healing energy, and everything in your life will be changed soon. So this was for you, Taurus. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked all the messages which were for you from the divine and angels, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye bye.